Hello everyone. Today we will see about the cloud computing. So what is the agenda of today lecture? In this we will see why we need cloud computing. The one of the most important question regarding the cloud computing, why we need. The second is what is cloud computing? Then what are the types of the cloud computing? Then deployment models in cloud computing, and also we will see the service models of cloud computing. So we will start from why we need cloud computing. What is requirement? Why we will use the cloud computing? So imagine if we want to build a IT company. So there are two options. We can manage hardware on premises, and the second thing, we can use the cloud computing. So imagine if we are managing things on our premises, so we have to purchase the hardware, means we have to purchase big laptops, computers, we have to purchase servers also. So means we have to purchase a hardware that the cost of hardware is very high. Similarly, the maintenance cost of these hardware is also very high. We have to hire a team of engineer who will maintain this hardware. The third one, there is a poor data security. If we are managing the thing on premises, there is a poor data security, and also we cannot scale up. So it is a not scalable. Why? Because we have to then purchase more hardware. So now with respect to this, there is another option, that is cloud computing. In the cloud computing, we can use cloud computing on a very low cost. We no need to purchase any hardware, any server. And the second thing, pay as you go, means how much we are using cloud computing, we will pay according to our uses. Then there is a lot of data security is there, because the cloud service provider, they will build a proper solution of the security, and with the help of cloud computing we can scale up our company, and it is a highly scalable, we can say. There are another some demerits of on premises. There are lack of flexibility. If we are using on premises services, if we are purchasing the hardware, there are lack of flexibility. And also on premises we have to control access. We cannot do this work remotely. Same, there is no energy saving, because server we have to run 24 into 7. So there is no energy saving. We have to spend a lot of on the energy, onto the power. And in the cloud computing, there are full flexibility. There are also remotely access control is available. We are not purchasing any hardware, so we are not purchasing any servers, so there are also energy savings. And in the on premises, there are less chances of data recovery. Mean, if there is a disaster, there is impossible to data recover. If we are managing, it is very costly. But in the case of cloud computing, we can easily recover our data. So there is a proper recovery, disaster recovery plans are there in the cloud computing. So these are the reason, on the basis of that we are using cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, networking, software over the internet to offer faster innovation. So what is the history of cloud computing? So in 1960, there is a scientist, John McCarthy, it is a computer science scientist, is introduced mainframe computer time sharing. They provide the time sharing. On the basis of time sharing, we can use the mainframe computers. Then in 1970, virtual machine was developed by the IBM. Like virtual machine, you are, I think you are using onto your laptop when you are installing another operating system Linux onto the Windows with the help of virtual machine, VMware type software. Then another in 1977, the cloud symbol is used. Then in 1991 WW is launched, and then in 1997 the cloud word was coined by Ramesh Chalapa. Then in 1999 Salesforce offering the cloud services over the internet. In 2002 AWS launched by the Amazon, and now in 2010 the Microsoft released their Microsoft Azure cloud services. So what are the types of the cloud computing? So on the basis of deployment model, there are three types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. And on the basis of service model, there are three types of services: software as a services, infrastructure as a services, and platform as a services. So now we will see the type of development model, that is public, private, and hybrid. So we will take an example. Imagine we want to go to the college. So we can use bus, we can use our private car, we can use the taxi like from Ola, Uber. So what are the benefit of public transport? We can use on shares basis. It is a cheaper. We will pay only the distance we travel, and there is no maintenance charges. It is the cheaper one, the public one. So it is a sharing basis. We are sharing the resources. We are sharing the bus. Similarly, in the private, there are upfront funding, means we have to purchase the car, we have to purchase the hardware. There are also maintenance charges also there. There is proper privacy is there. In public there is no privacy, but there is also the flexibility is also there. In hybrid cloud, it is the combination of public and private. There is fees higher, there is a privacy is there, there is a flexibility, no maintenance charges. So same type of thing is available in deployment model of the cloud: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. In public cloud, it is shared by multiple companies. Multiple companies are sharing the cloud services. So like example of public cloud: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and IBM cloud. Now another is the private cloud. This cloud service is not shared with another organization. Only single organization is sharing the cloud service, like VMware, Amazon EC2. Then the next is hybrid cloud, the combination of public and private cloud. Like Accenture is developing their hybrid cloud with the help of Microsoft Azure. Now on the basis of service model, there are three types of services: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So we will understand this with the example. Imagine we want to wash our clothes. So we can use washing machine at our home. We can we have to purchase the infrastructure, like we have to purchase the washing machine, we have to purchase the detergent, softener. And there is another case, PaaS, platform as a service. We can go to the laundry shop. There is a self-service washing machines are there, and we can wash our clothes on the laundry shops by self-servicing. Then the next one is software as a service, means with the help of mobile app we can call the laundry person. So in infrastructure as a service, means we are managing only the infrastructure, we are managing only the we are managing the washing machine, we are managing electricity, everything is managed, means we are managing the infrastructure. So we are using infrastructure as a service, and the remaining thing we are doing with our own. Like we can do end-to-end washing, drying managed by you. We need to arrange for the detergent and software. So same type in the cloud, we will use only the infrastructure. Similarly in platform as a service, we will use platform given by the service provider. So in PaaS, where there is no need for washing machine, detergent, we provide additional add-on services such as detergent. And the next is the software as a service. Nothing is managed by us, everything is managed by the software. Means laundryman comes and to pick and return the clothes. There is no need of washing machine, detergent like that. Everything is managed by the software. So same type of model in the available in cloud computing. Like in this, there are servers and storage, networking, data center, physical plant and building managed by the company, that is that they are providing the infrastructure. Then if they are providing the operating systems, OS, middleware, that is the platform as a service. Then if they are giving complete solution, they are developing their application, they are providing the tools, that is software as a service. So there are categorization. First one is the on premises. On on premises we have to manage everything. The blue color means we have to manage networking, storage, server, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data application. We have to manage everything. That is on premises. That the next one is infrastructure as a service. We are using only the infrastructure like virtualization, server, storage, networking. Remaining thing, operating system, middleware, runtime, data application managed by us. That is infrastructure as a service. Next is platform as a service. Everything is managed by the cloud service provider. The applications and data is managed by us. Then next is software as a service. Everything is managed by the cloud services. That is software as a service. So what are the examples of infrastructure as a service? Like AWS, Google Cloud. Platform as a service, there is a Euronoc. And software as a service, like there is a you are using the Google Drive. So what are the example of IaaS? Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud are the example of infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service, there is a Google App Engine, Red Hat, OpenShift, Heroku, Apprenda. These are the platform as a service. And the software as a service, like there is a HubSpot, Jira, Dropbox, DocSign. This is the example of platform as a software as a service. So this is the cloud computing introduction. Thank you everyone.